How to use Microsoft Authenticator application. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use Microsoft Authenticator application. Microsoft Authenticator is a mobile application designed to enhance security for user accounts through multi-factor authentication. It provides a convenient way to verify your identity when logging into your various services, including Microsoft and non-Microsoft accounts. In order to use this application, you'll need to first install this Microsoft Authenticator app from Google Play Store or any app store. Once you have downloaded it, you will need to open the application on your device, and once you open the application, you will need to navigate to the Security Info section of your account in your account settings of the application or the account where you would like to add Microsoft Authenticator. And there you will need to select Add Method option, and from there choose Authenticator app. After that, a QR code will display on your computer screen, and then you will need to open your Authenticator application. Here tap on the scanner icon at the bottom right, and then you will need to scan the QR code using your device camera. Also, you may tap on this Enter Code Manually option at the bottom of this page, and then you will need to enter the code which you have copied from the account page. And once after doing that, you will need to set it up. After setting up, you will need to tap on the account from here, and inside it you will be able to see the 6-digit password that is generated by Microsoft Authenticator. So by using Microsoft Authenticator, you can enhance the security of your accounts. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.